Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to choose a winner to the hidden giveaway that was posted in my last guest designer project for My Crafting World Designs. I was a guest designer for Anna during the month of April, as well as for Lisa at the Happy Crafter Shop. And the prize for this hidden giveaway is the completed project of the tall gift bag from My Crafting World Designs, as well as the ready to be dangle and the dangle card that I did for the Happy Crafter Shop. You have to be 18 years or older. You needed to leave a comment down below that video. You need to have a US mailing address and be a public subscriber to my channel. And let me see here. Not sponsored by YouTube, not sponsored by My Crafting World Designs or the Happy Crafter Shop. I am solely responsible for the prize. And with that, I am going to add in the link here. And we're filtering duplicate users. We're going to have one winner with a duration for the results 5 seconds. Solve the problem. And let's see, we'll get the YouTube comments. We have 47 unique comments. I want to wish everyone good luck, and don't forget, after the first winner is selected, I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to check to see if the person is a public subscriber, and then I'll be right back on to announce the winner. So hold on and good luck, everybody. Okay, so Carmen at Create in Me Psalms 91. I believe she is a public subscriber, but give me just a second to get to her comment, and I'm using my laptop to scroll through the comments. And like I said, I'm fairly certain that Carmen is a public subscriber. Let me just check here. She is a public subscriber, so congratulations, Carmen. I'm really excited for you. If you'll please leave me a note below this video letting me know that you saw this and that you know you're a winner. And then if you could message me either on Instagram and let me know your address, or you can contact me with email, and I will put my email in the description box for this video. I will get your prize right out to you. So thanks again, everybody, for watching the videos. I really appreciate everybody's support and all the wonderful comments that everyone's left on my videos for the guest designer projects for Anna. And I want to thank everybody again for stopping by. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.